guys, welcome back to my channel, or rather welcome to my channel. If you're new over here, then please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So today I will be talking about, or rather explaining, what do I do for my skin, because I get so many DMs like, how is your skin so glowy, spotless? So today I will be talking about what precautions do I take, what products do I use, or rather my full skincare routine. So if you want to know what's my skincare routine, all you have to do is keep watching this video. The first thing is healthy food. You should always have a balanced diet. If you see some of your friends or girls or even boys have this problem, when they eat too much oily stuff, oily food or sweet, they will start getting pimples and whatnot. So that's why I'm telling you, healthy food. You must include vegetables, salad, sprouts, dal. So a balanced diet is a very important part for your healthy skin. And second, hydration. What do you mean by hydration? Enough of water. You should actually drink to more than 2 liters of water, और जितना पानी आप पियोगे उतना अच्छा है. So keep yourself hydrated. If you'll ask me, I'll just say, जो आप आपका अंदर से अगर क्लियर है ना, तो वो फेस पे भी दिखाई देता है. So if you are clean from inside, if your body is clean from inside, your face will show that. If your body from inside is dirty, that shows on your skin, acne, pimples and whatnot. So keep yourself hydrated. Then the third one, and the most important part, which I will be stressing more on, is good skincare product. A good skincare product is a mandatory thing, especially for teens. Teen phase is actually a crucial phase. I'm not scaring you by that, but it is a crucial stage. You have to take care of your skin a lot. You cannot ignore your skin. The moment you start taking care and investing on good products for your skin will stay healthy. What we want is just healthy. हमें नहीं चाहिए कि हम 20,000 रुपए खर्चा कर रहे हैं चेहरा के लिए. नो. If it this much also, you can keep your skin hydrated, good, glowy and clear. आजकल like teens have the problem कि ज़्यादा oily खा लिया तो pimple आ गया. Acne problem nowadays is so much, pigmentations and whatnot in teens. Teenagers को ये problem होते, can you imagine? Is because you ignore it. You should not ignore these stuff if you want your skin to be clear, glowy and spotless. I will be telling you about this one product which I am in love with. L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. If you have this one product, you do not need any moisturizer. It is both a serum as well as a moisturizer. It is super light. It is just like a water. You will feel as if you are just applying water. Can you see this glow over here? I have just used this product. I haven't used any makeup today. I'm just wearing this and a lipstick and a kajal. That's it. I just love this. So this has given me amazing results. You won't trust me, but this is my second bottle. Can you see? This is filled and this is empty. This is literally empty. कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. This is my second purchase. So actually I'm in love with this product. और इसका like you just have to take 3 to 4 drops and just apply it. I will, you can see, as you can see I have done like that. इसका आपको 3 से 4 बूंद ही लेना है. That's it. It's so good. And what yes, what it says over here, usage may use day and night after cleaning, after cleansing, and before your moisturizer or sunscreen. Pour 3 to 4 drops and pat gently until fully absorbed. So you just have to take, and it's literally like water, and just apply it on your face. That's it. You just have to pat it. Just pat it and it will be absorbed. Oh my god, I can't stress more than how much I'm in love with this. My skin has improved so much. So much. So now you will be asking कि मैं इसको कैसे use करते? How do I use this? So I use this as a night serum. You can use it both time, day and night. जैसे day का होता है कि like you have to use it in the day only and night is meant for night, but nothing with this. You can use it any time. So it's completely your wish whenever you want to use it. I use it during night as a night serum. So I just take it, जैसे apply करने का मैं आपको बताई हूँ, like that only you have to apply, and it's so good. Now I will be sharing you one equation. Now you will be like, equation? Satakshi, स्किन केयर के बीच में इक्वेशन कहाँ से लेके आ रही? इक्वेशन डज नॉट मीन्स ओनली, इक्वेशन इज नॉट जस्ट इंक्लूडेड इन मैथ्स. इक्वेशन इज एवरीवेयर, whether it be life, anything, even for skin. So what's the equation I'm talking about is the lighter the product, the more deeper it goes. Yes, the moisturizers which you put, or even I use a moisturizer. I'll tell you which moisturizer I use. मुझे लॉकडाउन में छोटा वाला मिला है, but I use the बड़ा वाला. This is the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisturizer Cream. It's like this is for छोटा वाला 995 50 ml. So this is 50 ml, this is 50 ml. I use this. I'm not telling कि मैं moisturizer use नहीं करती. Even I use, but this is my day moisturizer. I use this as a night serum. What happens is moisturizers are heavy, so it will just go like 1 or 2 layers inside, not even 2. But this guarantees that it goes 10 layers deeper in your skin, into your skin. Isn't that cool? Yes, because it's literally like a water. अगर ये नहीं जाएगा 10 layers inside तो क्या जाएगा? And the smell is amazing. It penetrates 10 layers deep into your skin. The नीचे से like it will not just repair your skin and then अंदर वाला part. No, 10 layers inside. So 10 layers inside if it's penetrating, and so if it will work 10 layers inside, just imagine how good is this. So this is the one which I'm talking about, and इसमें हाँ, and you'll get 3 sizes. You get 3 sizes. मेरे पास बीच वाला size है. So picture आपको यहाँ या यहाँ कहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. So it's available in 3 sizes. 3 sizes 130 ml, that around 1400, and वो कांच का bottle आता है. It's a glass bottle. And then second one is this which I have. It's 65 ml. It's 65 ml and it costs, and this costs around 800, 799, so basically 800, and this is also a glass bottle. And how good, they even have a travel size bottle for this, and that's travel friendly, and that is not कांच का bottle, so that's not a glass का bottle, it's a plastic bottle. So you can go anywhere. Like teenagers के life is like भाग दौड़ वाला ही रहता है, कभी इधर कभी उधर, so you can carry it with you. And that too, it's not like if I'll carry this it will break or something because it's made up of glass. No, the travel friendly pack is made up of plastic, and that is for 22 ml, and it costs around 250 250 rupees. So you get 3 sizes. So for the trial you can purchase the 250 that 22 ml wala, which costs 250 rupees, and then go above. If you like it, if that suits your skin, it will suit it. I guarantee you it will suit. It's like for all skin types. Yeah, it's for all skin types, and both can use male and female. So video is too long now. So if you like my skincare routine and how I have explained you, then do like, subscribe and comment down. I won't rate it. मुझे पता है कि बहुत अच्छा, आई नो इट पर्सनली बिकॉज आई हैव शोन यू कि मेरा एक बॉटल ख़त्म हो गया, मैं दूसरा लेके आई हूँ. सो अकॉर्डिंग यू हैव अंडरस्टूड कि हाउ मच आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. So if you also try it, then do comment below and tell me how was it. So that's it. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Love you.